Welcome to the world of Lay's, where every crisp starts its journey from the fields of the finest potatoes. Our story begins here, in vast, sun-kissed agricultural fields, stretching as far as the eye can see. Each row is meticulously planted, nurtured, and harvested using a combination of modern machinery and skilled hands. These potatoes are the foundation of the iconic taste millions love worldwide. At harvest, advanced machines gently dig into the rich, fertile soil, lifting potatoes with care to preserve their natural quality. Conveyors carry them to waiting trucks, ensuring that every tuber is transported efficiently from field to factory. Farmers and technicians monitor the process closely, combining traditional expertise with cutting-edge agricultural technology. Dust rises in the golden sunlight, creating a cinematic landscape that tells the story of dedication, precision, and passion. Once harvested, the journey continues to one of PepsiCo's largest, state-of-the-art factories. Here, potatoes undergo rigorous washing, peeling, and inspection. Advanced optical sorting systems ensure only the perfect potatoes move forward, while workers inspect them for consistency and quality. Each potato is sized, peeled, and prepared for slicing, maintaining the highest food safety standards. The slicing process transforms these raw potatoes into thin, uniform slices, ready for frying. Industrial fryers cook the slices to a golden perfection, monitored by precision sensors and quality control teams. After frying, every chip passes through another round of optical inspection, ensuring only flawless chips make it to the next stage. Seasoning drums coat them evenly with Lay's signature flavors, while rigorous testing guarantees taste, texture, and crunch meet global standards. Finally, smart weighing and automated packaging systems prepare each bag for shipment. From field to factory, from soil to shelf, every step is carefully controlled to deliver the quality and flavor.